What if the place where you feel safest is the one that is damaging your health every day? Your home. That space that should give you rest, peace, and well-being. But perhaps, without realizing it, it has become a silent generator of disease. Insomnia, allergies, constant fatigue, headaches, anxiety. What if I told you that many times they don't come from work, the weather, or genetics, but from your own home? We spend more than 60% of our lives indoors. We sleep there, we eat there, we relax there, we even work there. But we rarely stop to think about whether that environment is really taking care of our health. We believe that a clean house is enough. That if it smells good and looks tidy, everything is in order. But the truth is that, behind the walls, furniture, and daily habits, there are invisible elements that may be slowly deteriorating your body. From chemical-laden cleaning products to mold, accumulated dust, inadequate ventilation, and routines that stagnate us physically and emotionally. A home can be a refuge or a trap. And today you'll discover if you've unwittingly built a silent cell that's affecting your well-being. Because having a healthy home isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And it starts with realizing it. A healthy home isn't built with bricks and pretty decor alone. It is built with awareness, with habits, with daily decisions. Let's see how some of the most common spaces and everyday objects can be affecting your health without you even realizing it. Bedroom, the place where you should heal but you weaken. Your bedroom should be the most restful place in the world. But if it's full of electronic devices, LED lights left on all night, old mattresses riddled with dust mites, and windows that are always closed, it becomes a source of insomnia, allergies, and chronic fatigue. A bad night's sleep repeated over weeks weakens your immune system, your nervous system, and your mood. Kitchen, nutrition, or daily poisoning? It looks like the healthiest place until you look closely. Scratched pans that release Teflon, microwaves with residue, reused plastic containers with heat, ultra-processed food on the shelves. Did you know that heating food in plastic releases endocrine disruptors that alter your hormones? The kitchen can be the heart of your energy or the epicenter of your toxins. Bathroom, the humidity you don't see, breathes on you. That normal musty smell isn't normal. Mold, though often invisible, releases spores that enter your respiratory tract and affect your lungs, skin, and even your immune system. Poor ventilation, a hidden leak, a poorly dried towel, everything adds up to silent damage. Cleaning products, clean or poison. Many lavender-scented products are loaded with ammonia, formaldehyde, and volatile organic compounds. Breathing this stuff day after day can cause headaches, eye irritation, chronic fatigue, and even hormonal changes. And the worst part is that we use it believing we're protecting the family. Screens, clutter, and visual overload. A home with the TV on all day, notifications ringing, cold lights, and objects everywhere creates a stressful environment. Your brain never rests. That constant visual noise keeps your nervous system on alert, as if something bad is about to happen. The result? More cortisol, fewer defenses, and a mind that can't relax in its own space. Stagnant air, absent plants, sun that does not enter. Air that does not circulate becomes loaded with CO2, dust, and humidity. Without natural plants to cleanse the air and without sunlight, your body oxidizes more quickly. Vitamin D levels decrease, your lungs function less well, and your immune system slows down. A closed window may seem like a small thing, but it's a barrier between your health and life. These details, although they seem small, act like a constant drip that wears away the rock. It's not a big poison, it's a daily deterioration. And when you add it all up, the impact on your health is real and profound. A study published by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, revealed that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. And most alarmingly, we spend more than 90% of our time indoors. The World Health Organization, WHO, warns that more than 3.8 million deaths each year are linked to indoor air pollution caused by stoves, heaters, cleaning products, and poor ventilation. According to the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine, sleeping in environments with artificial light and active devices affects the quality of deep sleep, which is essential for immune system repair. And a report from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health shows that common cleaning products emit chemicals that are linked to long-term respiratory, hormonal, and even cancer problems. As if that weren't enough, studies from the University of Exeter confirm that people who incorporate natural plants into their interior spaces report lower stress levels, improved mood, and even increased productivity and air quality. Each of these data points confirms what your body may already be telling you without words: your environment influences you more than you imagine. And if you don't take care of it, it will end up silently making you sick. Here's the paradox: we seek well-being, but we often sabotage it from where it should protect us the most. We spend hours choosing supplements, diets, exercise routines, and then we sleep with our phones on next to our heads, breathe chemicals, cook with harmful materials, and block out the sun with thick curtains. We want to heal on the outside, but we continue to ignore what is happening in our most intimate surroundings. We care more about what we eat than what we breathe. We're alarmed by news about viruses, but we're not worried that the air we breathe every night is stale and polluted. Isn't that contradictory? And the biggest problem is that we've grown accustomed to discomfort. We're tired of it and we normalize it. We have allergies and we attribute it to the weather. We have trouble sleeping, but we think it's work stress. We rarely look inside, at home and at ourselves. Today you're watching this video because something inside you wants to break that cycle. And realizing it is the first step. A healthy home isn't seen from the outside, it's felt from the inside. That's the key. Because it doesn't matter how pretty your house looks on Instagram or how expensive your decor is. What matters is whether your body rests there. Whether your mind relaxes there. Whether your lungs breathe well, whether your habits add to you or subtract from you. A home shouldn't make you sick, it should protect you. And if today you discovered that something in your environment may be sabotaging your health, you have the power to change it. Small adjustments. Small decisions. Because what you do at home shows in your body. Your home can be your sanctuary or your sabotage. And now that you know that, you can't ignore it. You don't need to knock down walls or spend a fortune. You just need to look at things differently and start making more conscious decisions. Take a look at your bedroom. Let the sun in. Open the windows. Question what you use to clean and what you leave behind out of habit. Because sometimes, the greatest act of self-care starts with your space. Don't wait for your body to shout what your environment is already whispering. Change starts in small ways, in the way you ventilate, rest, cook, and organize your daily life. Remember, every object, every habit, every corner is communicating something to your health. Make your home a place that breathes well, that calms you, that renews you. Not because it's perfect, but because it's aligned with what your body needs. If this video made you think, subscribe and like it. Comment on which habit you're going to change first, and share this with someone who also deserves to live in a home that heals them, not makes them sick. And if you want more content that takes care of your body and mind, join Preferred Life. Here, every decision counts. And every day is a new opportunity to live better. See you in the next video.